What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Blooms and Bees channel. So, long overdue once again. It's a garden update. So our family went on vacation. We've been gone for a couple weeks. So I tried to clean up. I just got back. Tried to clean up a little bit of my garden, but it looks pretty terrible actually. Had to pull tomato plants. Had to pull a ton of weeds. But the bananas are getting close. So here, let's go on a little tour. Someone just rang the doorbell. Let's see what's going on. What? Someone left us a surprise. Okay, looks like we got a little surprise from our friendly neighbor, Tin Can Gardener. This is gonna be so good. So with his big mango weigh-in, it looks like he made some sort of mango jam. And then he harvested some honey. So that's exciting. So thank you, Tin Can Gardener. Okay, here's the official taste test. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. I can't get the lid off. I don't know what I'm gonna do here without damaging the lid. There it goes. Oh, I messed it up. It smells amazing. Time for the taste test. That's actually really good. Sorry, Tin Can, you're gonna be shipping this all over the country. So first off, these caterpillars completely destroyed my passion fruit. It was nice. It was actually, the vine was going up. And look, you can even see one of those little boogers right there. They ate that passion fruit up. Another thing they ate is all my milkweed. We made a little butterfly garden. However, it's not much of a butterfly garden anymore because there's no more caterpillars because there's nothing to eat. So we're gonna have to throw some sort of net over it or something to keep them growing a little bit. So if you see, there's a little monarch caterpillar right in the center of the screen. Pretty exciting, but not much for them to eat. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so this is the last of the milkweed. But as you can see, we got some nice monarch caterpillars here. I'm sure they'll eat this whole entire thing, but there's several inside that, if you can see. Pretty cool. Another one. Okay, yesterday I worked on a little bit, but didn't film. But we're doing pretty good with our peppers. A lot of nice peppers, excuse me. And this one's about ready. It's turning red a little bit, but this will be ready here. Delicious. Can't wait to pull some off, taste these peppers. I'm sure they're delicious. Everything else kind of died off. I only have a few carrots left that made it. My potatoes didn't make it, but check this out. Got some eggplant, which is exciting. All my turmeric are in pots now, but I'm gonna transplant them here because they pretty much filled up that bucket. That's a pretty decent size. had to move over my sweet potatoes so I could do some yard work and mow. So technically these things sprout out all the way to this bed. So now I just kind of gotta lay them back out. And then all my tomato plants are gone. They all died off. So now I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna plant here, which would be something good to grow in the summer. So I'll let you know how or what I decide on that. Okay, walking around here, just want to show you my bananas. They're actually filling out pretty nice, so should be able to harvest these soon. They're but yeah, they're looking pretty good. And the nice thing about it is I've got 2 more banana trees that are about ready to throw a spike or a banana bushel. So they're getting pretty big. I'm excited to see what these things produce. So this is a tree that we planted last year, and I was hoping to get something out of it, but it is a sugar apple, or I think sugar sop or something like that. I can't remember. But every single time, oh, the dog's excited to tell me something. Basically, every time it produces fruit, the birds eat it. So as soon as I see something on there, hopefully I can throw something over. Or maybe there's, I don't know if you guys have any ideas, but of kind of keeping the birds away, that'd be fantastic, because I have no idea. I've heard of hanging bells on the limbs, so when the birds come and land, they actually get kind of scared away. But interested to hear your thoughts and comments on that one. Well, that is my garden update for now. Hope you all have a good rest of your weekend. See ya.